Well, catching a few things up on it. Got the wood up there. Still got to pull them, stain them, sand them a little bit. I'm pleased with the way that the wood's coming out. I like the metal, but weight for weight ratio, everything's same thing, and the wood's way prettier. Anyway, we're moving around here, getting a few more of the trim on. Started adding our pads. Got brand new pads all the way through it. I still got one I got to put on that door up there, but that's kind of where we're at. We're getting close to done. Reckon I'll talk to you later.